Hi there, my name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about the new Unlimited e-signature add-on. E-signatures are the best way to make sure your team thoroughly reads their training because you have legally binding digital proof that they agree to and understand all of those guidelines that keep them safe, accountable, and aligned. And now for just $29 a month, you can collect an unlimited number of e-signatures on any of your company subjects, policies, and processes. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'll go ahead and head to one of my subjects. So I'll choose this anti-discrimination policy as an example. The first thing I'm going to want to do is click share at the top and make sure the subject is required for everyone, because that'll make sure that everybody assigned to this subject has to sign it before getting to 100% completion. Now let's just say that I want to require an e-signature for this first topic here. I'll head to the right-hand side and click the three-dot menu and select Require e-signature. You'll notice that there's this little e-signature required symbol now on this topic showing me that it's enabled. Now I'm going to go to view mode for this subject. So now I'm looking at this as the person getting trained who's going to need to e-sign. I'm going to make my way through this subject here. Okay, and then at the end, you'll see that I'll be required to sign and complete. So I'll click that and say continue. And after I click that, my doc will start processing. And basically, it's just compiling everything that I learned in this topic into a document for me to sign. Okay, and when it's done processing, I can go ahead and click Start Signing and then click this little signature call out here to do my e-signature. And I can type my signature or I can use my mouse to draw. Okay, and when I say finish, I'll get an alert that I finished this topic and I can move on in my training. Note that if any edits are made to this topic, everyone will have to re-sign, which thankfully isn't a concern when you have unlimited e-signatures because you can collect limitless e-signatures in your account. Now I want to show you subject reports. So I'm going to go to the left-hand navigation menu here, click on reports and go to subject report. And then I'll head to my anti-discrimination policy. You'll see on the right-hand side, it'll show me everybody who has e-signed this content and everybody who hasn't e-signed this content. So you'll see here that it shows that I have completed 1 out of 1 e-signatures. And when I hover over, I can actually export this file. When I click that, it'll send me an email with the file to my doc. So I'm going to go ahead and head over to my email. It'll show me that I've successfully signed. And then I can download my e-signature here. And when I open that, it'll show me my whole entire doc. So everything that I learned in my training. And then at the very end, it'll give me my signature certificate with, my signature, what time I viewed the content, what time I signed it, and everything like that verified by our third-party e-signature tool, PandaDoc. So really, for just $29 a month, this add-on is quite the steal. We highly recommend leveraging it in your training. So reach out to us if you want any more info or if you're ready to add it to your account. See you next time.